would like to share with you a thought in Parshad Shoftim, Perek Yud Zayin, Pasuk Yud Chet. It says, "V'haya," it speaks about the king, "V'haya כשבטו על כיסא ממלכתו, וכתב לו את משנה התורה הזאת על ספר, מלפני הכהנים הלוויים." So we know there is a halacha that every Jew should have a Sefer Torah. It says specifically in the Mishnah, in Sanhedrin, Mishnah, Masechet Sanhedrin, Mishnah Bet, it says, וכתב לו ספר תורה לשמו, that the king has to write an extra Sefer Torah more than every Jew. חוץ מספר תורה שחייב כל אדם ישראל להיות לו ספר תורה, the king has to have another Sefer Torah. And says Rashi here in Pasuk Yud Chet, that he writes שתי את משנה התורה, שתי ספרי תורות, says Rashi. He writes two ספרי תורה, אחת שהיא מונחת בבית גנזיו, one he keeps in a locker, in the house, or in a treasury, ואחת שנכנסת ויוצאת עמו, כן? And one that is constantly with him. And it even says in Sanhedrin, it's Sanhedrin כ"א עמוד ב', it says that the one that is נכנסת ויוצאת עמו, it says כמין קמיה ותולה אותה בזרועו. It's like, I guess, like a bag that we have today, what a woman carries, or something that it's hanging on him, and that's what he takes with him. So I understand why, continues the Gemara in Sanhedrin, why does he need it? שנאמר שיוויתי השם לנגדי תמיד, נכנס, והיא עמו יצא למלחמה, והיא עמו יושב בדין, והיא אצלו, כן, that it's constantly with him. That we understand, but why does he need one to be in his treasure? What does that do? So I heard from Rabbi Haber, who said like this, the book that the king is using the whole time, the Sefer Torah, you know, goes in, comes out, goes to war, so probably the letter is a little bit get in a different shape. So he always could come home and compare the letters and the writing and write it again, so it will be always perfect. And that is something that we should learn for our life. As you know, everything written in the Torah is not only for others, for our life. It's not only for the king, also for us. Every Jew is like a king. And every Jew has to have a Sefer Torah in Beit Gnazav, means in our treasury at home. And that is like our ideals. We have an ideal. We grow up, we have ideals. And that's the ideal of how we want to be, how perfect we want to be. And that is like the Sefer Torah that we aim to be. And then we should go out in life and live and do our things. But, you know, within the years, the ideals get sometimes watered down. So we should always compare them to our real ideal of the Shleimus. Be'ezrat Hashem, next year when you come to Eretz Yisrael, you come to learn Torah in the Michlala, Torah Eretz Yisrael. This is a year that you will write for yourself the Sefer Torah Bebeit Gnazav. You will write the Sefer Torah of the ideals of what you want to be and how you want to be and what a home you want to have. And then, just slowly in life, after Michlala, as you grow up, you will always compare it to the ideals that you got from here and how you live your life. And this will be, נכנס עמו ויוצא עמו is what you do. And בבית גנזיו is your ideal. And hopefully, עד 120, you live the way you want to be and you live to be. And what you learn from here, you can carry with you forever. Shalom.